Got a picture from Clay.
Oh, cool.
It's in
We're live, by the way.
Denver. Huh. Well, Clay's a good example. He could have stayed in college and tried to get some kind of a education that he can't easily transfer to a job, but he ended up working until he decided, hey, I might try air conditioning, and then he did the app called SkillCat, and didn't take him very long. He already knew a lot of the air conditioning things. We worked together on them. He understood it. So he was getting offers from Alabama, Detroit, Van Horn, Texas, Washington. There's a lot of, he was getting a lot of offers, and he ended up in Denver working for the medical college there, just out in a town called Aurora, just out on the edge of Denver, and good money and all the benefits.